Okay, Dylan's gonna ride the elevator. Oh, we got the elevator already. We're at McWane Center in Birmingham, Alabama. Dylan's gonna press the button. We're gonna go all the way to the first floor. It's got an IMAX here. Here's all the buttons.
Distractions.
There's one. Not sure who makes the elevator. I don't see any name on it. Okay, we're gonna go back up. Okay, we're gonna go back up.
Because 4 and 5 are locked off.
4 and 5 locked off for something special.
See?
MZ 2,
See?
3.
Locked off.
Battery's almost dead on this thing. Okay.